See these lashes with the little sparklies? They look good with the look like. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kiana here, and if you're new, thank you and I appreciate you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're coming back, welcome back. I appreciate you. Thank you for trusting me to bring you quality content. And so today the video is going to be about, obviously my face is already done, so this is going to be about taking an everyday glam and turning it into a pop of color. So say I'm coming from lunch right now and me and my friends are going out tonight. It's something to revamp the eyes. So thank you, and here's the video. So as you see, I have like a little glitter highlight on my eyes, but in order to get the pop of color, I feel like you have to have a base. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the NYX eyeshadow base in white, and I'm just gonna grab a flat brush. I just got my little mirror. I cannot do makeup without this little mirror, so I'm just gonna.
Though you're gone, it feels like something's watching me. I turn my head around to see if the stalker is you, but all I see is rain. And ooh, 'cause you were right all the time. And
I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush and
we are not fine. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind.
then this brush has no product on
Now
it.
you don't know me,
Like
can't
that.
control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Ooh, I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind.
So what color are we gonna do? Let's dip into, I'm feeling really yellowish. Spring is coming up. Let's dip into a little yellow. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this brush. I got this out of an Anastasia palette. And let's dip into this one right here. Where's my little mirror?
Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie.
And we're not setting it. I mean, we're not blending it. We're just literally.
We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie.
We're just brushing it. We're just
like a piece of paper, gonna
pushing it into the eye.
And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong. And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind.
So
Yeah.
now what we're going in.
So
Let's go into let's dip into the orange. So I'm gonna take just the end of that brush. Let me show y'all which orange I'm going to. And I'm going to this one right here, the right one.
You head from north and south. Though you're gone, it feels like
We're gonna do the same with this one. You're not blending it out. Just push it into the
I
eye.
turn my head around to see if the stalker is you, but all I see is rain. And ooh, 'cause you were right all the time. And ooh, 'cause we are not fine.
Get a green. We're gonna get a green. We'll go into this one here. And blend that yellow out. And this is a Basanti contour eyeshadow. You guys, this done turned into something else. This ain't even no nighttime look. I done stirred way off topic. Now I done turned into a weather map. This what this is, a weather map. So no, this ain't no I'm finna go out with my friends. This is a weather map. But it's fine. Cause guess what? You a cute weather map, boo. Look at all this shit fall out. BH, baby, we need to get it together.
Silence, we're alone and frightened. All we do is lie.
I need to add a little bit more yellow, so I'm gonna go back into my brush. Now I'm blending it out. I'm blending it into the orange.
Like a piece of paper, gone and won't be found. And ooh,
now I'm blending
cause you were not,
it into the orange.
you were not wrong. And
So now I'm gonna come down here and get that orange.
we are not one.
Down here you blending it on the waterline. Maybe we done turned into the weather map. I'm not even, I don't even have an angle anymore. At this point, we're just doing it, guys. What angle? I don't know, because I don't have one. Okay. I need to find my white. So, you know what? I don't have to find it because I can just dip into this one. To open my eyes though. So now what are we doing? on yellow.
I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind.
Then we're gonna take, I'm gonna dip into my NYX white liquid liner. What am I doing with this?
Silence, we're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened.
My camera got too hot.
All we do is lie.
Okay. But anyways, let's see. I don't even know what angle I was going at when I started this, but
you were not wrong. And
okay, I kind of want to do some more.
Cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. You head for north, I'm south. Though you're gone, it feels like something's
If it's a word of advice I can give you guys when you're doing your makeup, never stretch your eye. Like, never stretch your eye. Like, you know how, like, if you're doing an eyeshadow, you kind of stretch it out a bit. Never do that, because it's not gonna look right. Like, it's okay to lean your head back a little bit, but never, never, never stretch your eye, guys. I promise you. Don't do it.
Cause we are not fine. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie.
I have to put lashes on. We're gonna use these ones. Okay, everybody, I have added lashes, and this took a turn for the best. I've never done anything like this, and I kind of added these under here. Some of y'all probably gonna say it's extra, but I just felt like naked under there since I had so much going on up here. I don't know what this is, but I am not feeling this. This makes me want to do more creative looks like this, because this was supposed to turn into this was supposed to be me trying to show y'all how to turn an everyday look into a night look, but I ended up turning it into something else. But it's okay, it's cool, and I like it. So I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want me to do more creative things like this, I definitely can, because I like, see, these lashes with the little sparklies, they look good with a look like this. But if you guys want me to do more videos with just creative stuff and just making up shit, because I just made this up as I went, I definitely can. So thank you all for coming, and I know I said this at the beginning of the video, so I'm gonna say it at the end as well. Like, comment, subscribe, give me ideas, give me feedback. What do you want to see? You know? Thank you for stopping by, and have a good day.